Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to use object tracking focus on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, in order to enable the object tracking focus, we want to go into the camera. Then we want to hit those 4 dots here and click the cogwheel. And in here, after we scroll down a little, we should see under General Tracking Autofocus. Now we simply press it, and now autofocus is enabled. In order to use it, we want to take our phone first, and let's say I want to keep my little plant in focus. So how do I do that? All I want to do is simply press the plant once. And after this little rectangle appears, that means that this rectangle will try to keep my plant in focus for all times. Of course, we can't move it, but we can click somewhere else. So as you can see now, the square moves with it. So let's say I'm going to pick our logo here, and as you can see, even if I try to change the focus is still on the plant, not on the logo. That technically should be in the focus. Obviously, if I'm going to cover it completely, then it won't work. But if I will do that once again, we can see that whatever I do here is not really working. And even now, our plant is in top priority. How do you use it, or when do you use it? Let's say you have birthdays. You have your kid's birthday, you want to do a group photo, and yet you still want to make sure that your kid is the one that's visible on the photo. Then you simply click on your kid's head, and the phone will automatically keep your kid in focus and will basically ignore everything else that's around him. But yeah, that's how you use object tracking focus on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.